Good morning, baby. My Jaden Clark. So, today is 10 a.m. Friday. First week and born my Jaden Clark. So, kagigising ko lang din, puyat. And then my babies, look at face, very good sleep. Super sleep. Much sleep. Tawag ang aming baby. Plano ko yung puntaan doktor kasi hanggang ngayon 4 days hindi pa siya nagpo-pops. So nag-aalala ako. Sabi ng tulog niya. First time tulog siya ganyan. Himbing na himbing.